All right, this is GoShare inspection number 2. GoShare. All right, let's do the windshield wipers. There's the windshield wipers. It's not raining, so it's just. All right, that's good. Good. All right, now we're gonna do the windshield. This is the windshield. Good. All right. Here is the lights off right here. So I'll tell you to turn them on. All right. This is. All right. Put the lights on. Put the lights. This is the rear. Mike, the lights. Okay, that's the rear. Oh no.
Oh, shit. Okay.
All right, just turn the lights on. These are the actual the running lights or whatever when the lights are on. Running lights. All right. What else? All right, press the gas. Press the gas, Mike. All right, that's the exhaust. And then people would come. Hit it one more time, Mike. All right, that's cool. All right, cool. Let me see. Let me try. All right, here. Hold that. All right. Oh, emergency brakes. There. I'm pressing. Go shine it to the thing. There. Go to emergency brakes. Okay. Right there. See the brake light comes on for the emergency brakes. Oh, emergency brakes. Emergency brakes. Now pop them off. Went off. Do it again. Brake come on. Brake come off. All right, this is my dash. No lights. No lights. That's the bright light or whatever. That's the lights on. Let's turn that off. That's all. No lights on. All right, let's drive. You gotta show you going up to 25 miles per hour. Running out of room, but that's 25 miles per hour. Let's see, let's keep going. Let's keep going. All right, stopping at the stop sign. Take it off. Light green. Yeah, light turning green. Alright. It's on the 25 mile per hour? Yep. We're gonna go a little bit faster. Let's go 30. Alright, that's cool. Now we're gonna make a U-turn. U-turn, I guess, in the road. I guess that's what is a 3-point turn. It's U-turn, right?
It up so you can see.
Oh, no. Let's do it over there. Let's do it on the other side. Because I don't want to do it here. We'll do it, but